What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm back, guys. Wanted to come back and give you guys an update on a new sales funnel that came across my desk. I wanted to share it with you guys. It's for My Lead Gen Secret. I've been talking about this program or system, if you will, for months now. And I've been using it because it gives me, at this point, it gives me 200 leads a day. Okay, once you refer one person, they start sending you 200 leads a day. Initially, it starts with 100 leads a day. Okay, so this program gives you access to 100 leads every day. They provide the emailing system that you need to send the leads whatever offer you want them to see. Whatever you're promoting, now you have leads, because that's the biggest thing with people starting online. They don't know who to talk to. Okay, they start talking to their friends and family, their neighbors, their co-workers. These people aren't targeted leads. Okay, so with this, My Lead Gen Secret, it gives you the leads. So now you have leads. All you need to do is email them every day your offer. If you have a business opportunity, email them. So at any rate, I came across this system. Okay, it's a great high converting sales page. It's it's a capture page with the sales page as well. Okay, so I just got it started and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So if you're in My Lead Gen Secret, I'm gonna put the link below. Go ahead and grab this system. Okay, if you're not in My Lead Gen Secret and you need leads, okay, you need some people to talk to, you can get 3,000 leads every month, guys, and the system is included. So you're going to get the marketing system. It's for $30 a month. Okay, so you don't have to go out and get an autoresponder, Aweber, any of that stuff. It's already included. So you get the leads and the emailing system. All right, so let me let you check it out. All right, let's go check it out. Okay, this is the sales page, the video sales page. There's a video right here. And then this button right here, when someone clicks this button, it takes them right to the checkout page to go ahead and get My Lead Gen Secret, which will be tied to you or coded to you. And then this button right here actually allows you to purchase the system. So if you already in My Lead Gen Secret, just click step 2. And get the system. Okay, if you're not in My Lead Gen Secret, go ahead and do step 1 and then do step 2. Okay, so this is a great sales page. So let me just take you further. Okay, it has testimonies, it has the video that's going to do the selling and telling for you, and here's those 2 buttons again. Okay, so that way no one misses those buttons, because they stand out because they're red. Okay, then it shows you some proof of payments, testimonies of people here at the bottom. So this is a great sales page, guys. You can simply share this page. Okay, here's this person. They took $30. Okay, the system is $30. $30 one time to set it up, and it's $30 a month. They turned $30 into $17,000 with this system because it has an affiliate side to it as well. So when you refer people, you get paid. So not only are you getting leads, people that you can promote this to, okay, or your business opportunity, but the company is going to pay you for everybody you refer to get this lead system. Okay, so people are making money with this program, with this system, actually, this tool. Okay, so you've got to check this out. So let me go take you to my back office. I'm at, I think, 60,000 leads now, guys. Hang on, let's see. Okay, first I want to show you right here. As you can see, I'm getting 200 leads a day. Okay, started out with 100, but I've been getting 200 leads for months now, which means I've referred at least one person. If you refer one person and they continue to pay their $30 every month, the company is going to continue to send you 200 leads a day. So to go from the 100 to 200. Okay, so that's 6,000 leads a month. I've doubled it at this point, but I have 60,000. So let me show you that. Hang on a second. Okay, as you can see, this is my back office. Okay, it has my name right here. But if you look up here, 62,400 leads that I have in this system. Okay, so for months I've been getting these leads. Okay, and I've been promoting different business opportunities to them. These are your leads. Once you get in, you can promote whatever you want, guys. You can promote this system, My Lead Gen Secret, or you can promote your primary business. If you have another opportunity where you just need leads, just go back here. I'm going to show you. This is how it will work. I've selected the leads right here, right? They're all there. Now I can compose a message. Let's say, now it's optional that you can buy leads. I mean, the ad copy. They have ad copy you can buy from them for $30. Okay. So let me just show you how simple that is. Okay, I actually bought the swipe, so I will go right here, master email swipes. Okay, let me show you an example of how easy it is. Let's say I'm going to use this one. This one here, it says import email. So I click that. It takes me over. I select all my leads because I like to send them all at once. You don't have to. You can send the 200 a day, but I like to just send the whole list. So 62,000. I've selected them. Okay, the subject automatically populates because it imported it for me. Here's the information. All I have to do is, what I would do is just click here to make it a link, a clickable link. I'd put a link right in there, and that's it, guys. And then all you have to do is, and I can't do it now, see my time, and it tells me I got 39 more minutes before I can send it. But I will click here, and I will click, there will be a button that says send, and I will send that message. That's it. So you have emails in here, so you no longer have to look for leads. You have a whole lead system. You have a whole mailing system. Okay, you can track your stats, you can track your commissions, you can track your team, everything in this system. So now you can get leads every day, okay? And use this sales page. So all you're going to do now is use this page. The company has one, of course. There, you get a sales page, but this one I think is more powerful. I think this does a better job of explaining it, okay? So I would highly recommend this one, okay? Now, this system, as it states on here, you come down, you will see it's $25, but you're going to make residual income from this. You're going to make $20. And you mean the company is only going to keep 5, and they're going to give you 20 for everybody that buys this system from you, because this is a system itself. This sales page comes with a capture page. It's $25 a month. And everybody you refer to this system with this sales page, you make $20. So not only are you going to make that, then you're going to make money off the My Lead Gen Secret system. Okay, for everybody that joins you in getting the 100 leads a day. Okay, so all you need to do is go to this page, do step 1, and then come back and do step 2, and you're in business. You're ready to rock and roll. You now have a lead. You have a lead system. You have a mailing system, and you have the sales page. This sales page right here is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Again, I highly recommend it. Just came across my desk 2 days ago, and I went ahead and just grabbed it because I'm already in My Lead Gen Secret. Okay, so I'm gonna put the link below for you to go ahead and check this one out. Get these leads, guys. Again, I have 62,000 leads. Okay. And everybody needs leads. Whatever you're promoting, you need leads. And like it says, you don't need a website. You don't need any of that. And think about it. You don't have to worry about looking for paid advertising anymore because you're getting 100 leads a day. You have your own people to promote to. Okay? With this mailing system. All right, well, with that being said, I'm going to put the link below. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. But go ahead and grab your lead system, and then grab this actual sales page, this marketing system right here for 25 bucks. All right, to get started. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, give me a call. I look forward to working with you, and I'll see you on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.